Is it real deep right here?
A little bit. What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? Squid.
ATC rocks.
And this was the situation last night. Wet sleeping bag.
My sleeping bag
soaking wet. We're all up and ready to go. We'll see what the gang thinks. Third loop. Y'all ready?
Yeah.
Ashley?
Get the spotlight off of me. I'll do it.
Good to go?
Yep.
All right. Let's do it.
Do it.
It's freezing, and I'm putting a spotlight in everybody's face at 6 in the morning, so they're like, get away from me. Let's do the last loop, ATC, let's go.
Yeah, right.
Water looks good, you can see 2 rungs, so less than waist deep over there, and then it just comes up the bank, so we'll be good.
Crow is the baddest hiker. Not bad as in good, but bad as in bad.
We wasn't supposed to hear that.
It's a hefty dose of I don't care.
Hey, what you doing? Hey girl, what's up?
Yeah, we need to enjoy it. Because to me, this is what I'll drive 4 hours to see, but I don't know if I've ever seen that. It's hilarious. And look at all the green moss that's left. In here.
I always have this impending doom, these rocks are gonna fall on me.
They're finally gonna shift after all these years.
After all these years, yeah. We're trying to figure out who did this in the group. It's not really cool. You're supposed to dig a cat hole.
Don't eat it, Tally, gross.
Who was the culprit?
So then she'll bark it up later.
Squid.
In the car on
Yeah,
the way home.
that's what I like. I keep it in the barn, I don't care.
A lot of miles to get up there. You got about 14 tons.
Well, if you've ever followed the ATC, we have reached the apocalyptic bridge, and now we're heading up the nasty horse road with mud all the way up 224. Then we'll get back to some more of the scenic views, but you got to do it. It's got to connect back. So here we go. Let's finish this out. We're about 4.5 in or 4 in.
Take my hand, we'll make it, I swear. Oh, living on a prayer.
You write more on your song last night.
That's cool.
Yeah, I mean, that'd be something for it.
So this is the offer, 204. It's like 2.5 miles to the Beef Falls,
Yeah.
and then 2.5 miles back. But it's straight down and straight back up. Nobody has ever taken it,
I'll start now.
but there's always one, and this group is super fast. So who's it gonna be?
Not this guy.
Oh, I think I heard Krista say yes.
Bye.
I'll do it. We're actually going kind of like two.
Laughing so hard.
Unfortunately, we've had to hit the SOS on our Garmin. We had a major catastrophe. Tina had a major accident, and here it is. I'm gonna have to check it out.
Do you want me to show you how to do this? Hope you're ready for that $30,000 search and rescue bill.
I hope nobody passes out watching this part of the video, but
Yeah, do it that way.
we hope that she'll be okay. We think with some emergency care and a helicopter ride, we can get her to the hospital. Tally has no interest in her mom's
My distress.
distress. She's like, I think it's time for another shot.
On Friday night. There's no other place to go.
Hit
Oh,
me
these
with
pictures?
your best shot.
Our videos.
Our group has made it to Thompson's Trailhead, which means trail magic. Melanie and Amanda are back. They were day number 1 and number 3. We really appreciate y'all so much. You are trail angels. Let's go across the bridge and get some trail magic. Okay.
Yeah, we think she's gonna spring now, not just 10 minutes.
Hey!
Melanie!
Hi!
Thank you. Y'all make it.
Really? Yeah.
Oh look, ATC and
Yeah, she's
Pinhoti
got
Mafia.
stickers on there.
4:30 in the morning. Tally starts to bark. She at campgrounds looking like a spotlight on a full moon spring night. Dewdrops on our tents. There's a storm moving in. We're heading into somewhere that few have ever been. And the rocks roll. And the puds begin. Every bird on high alert is 12 set off on foot. We're pacing up 300 without a Spartan to look. Asking for a miracle. Hoping Sipsey's in sight. Praying it's our feet that keep us upright. And the rocks roll. And the puds do strike. And I didn't fall over whenever I wrote this as we were walking up this mountain.
Amazing trail magic from Melanie and Amanda. Thank y'all so much.
You're welcome. Our pleasure. My pleasure.
Thompson's Trailhead completed. Now we're on the last 10 miles or so, actually a little more, of the ATC. Let's go.
Hey, which is the walk on? That one right there?
This one will roll. It looked like it though. What is it?
I'll go. I will. I already have that.
I don't believe in superstition, so
I do, so don't
you gonna go?
She'll go?
Do you need me to grab your hand?
No, I'm good. It's the birth canal.
We're all being rebirthed. Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Sorry, Tally.
We're making y'all get out of our way.
Good job, Ashley. Champ. She just took it.
Yeah, I was gonna say, I wish I had.
There's a couple of good sandbars going down.
Here she goes. Here she goes. She's so crazy.
How in the hell does she have that much energy?
Yeah, it's crazy.
Now let's all jump. Just kidding. Just keep crawling.
Makes it harder to stand back up.
Yeah. I don't know. Old gymnastics come in handy.
There you go.
Your body will not fail you if you keep moving forward.
Well, we're getting close to the end, about 2.5 miles left. We still got Fall Creek Falls on our agenda, and then crossing the confluence of Sipsey Fork and Borden Creek at the end. And then it's on to the medal ceremony. So everybody seems to be doing well. This is a fast group. I can't keep up. I'll see you on the other side.
It is for real. Oh, you got me.
We have reached the finish line of the ATC. Yes, sir. Y'all are done. Woo! Let's cross it and be done. Woo!
That's it. Step or two. I'll fall back and do the misty plunge. Okay, I'm shooting. Okay, right here. Yep.
Then I should have waited. You could have just came and dropped her off and came and got me.
Oh, right there. You can carry it across.
Last time I was here, I was swimming.
Congrats, Chris.
Right on.
And then fall right
You now completed ATC.
I mean, I could have.
Way to go, Tally.
She's not a
Good job, buddy. Yes.
huge fan.
You
She
made
jumps
it.
in the water, but she's not like
I know
one of
you're
those
tired.
who just jumps in.
I want to thank everybody for coming to the Alabama Triple Crown. These are the newest inductees of this little challenge or hike or whatever you call it. It's 3 trails, 60 miles in 3 different days. It was, you're either hiking, sleeping, eating, or driving, essentially. That's what we do. So here they are. I'm gonna give them their medals. Thank y'all for coming. I appreciate this group. They are the fastest group known to man. First, Brian Jarrell. Everybody in this group finished. Brian, congrats, buddy.
Thank you, sir.
Great job, buddy. Thank you.
Everybody who.
Next,
All right.
Tina.
Woohoo!
Congratulations.
Thank you.
You did a great job. And Tally. I don't know if you can see her. Tally, congrats. You did a great job. Let's see if I can get her with the medal. There she is with her medal. I'm giving a medal to Stu. This is the original medal, but I have a repeat offender medal. And not only did he finish twice, but he led the group this time. Great job, Stu.
Thank you.
Thanks for coming, brother. I appreciate you.
Woo!
Terry Young Outdoors.
My hero.
Next, Lauren, congratulations. Sorry we almost left you at the waterfall, but you did a great job. Good job, Lauren.
Trail on.
Congratulations. Appreciate you. All right. Ashley, what a great job.
Yes.
Super fast hiker. Done all kinds of these things, but this was your favorite, right?
Yes, and my longest.
All right,
Yes.
congrats. Good job. Next, Brendan, thank you so much for coming, buddy.
Thank
Drove
you.
all the way from Mississippi. Good job, my friend. Good job. Next is Chris. Chris, good job, my friend.
Good job, Chris.
Thanks so much. Appreciate you. Thank you. Next, Krista, aka Lava.
Lava.
Congrats. Good job. Well done. Good job. Fist bump. You gotta do the fist bump. And last but not least, this is the last one. Shane, thanks. Drove all the way from Virginia. Congrats.
Thank you.
Good job, my friend.
Appreciate it.
Thank y'all. All right, guys, thanks. We'll see you next year on the Alabama Triple Crown 2024. Thanks also to Gone Feral with Squidly for coming out today and hiking a 22.4. We'll see you next year. Yeah! I thought I would say thanks to everybody that has been on the ATC this year. It's been a special treat to get to do this twice with some amazing people. Thank y'all for all coming. And all the people who did Trail Magic. You guys are amazing. Thank y'all for coming. So here's my tip of the hat to you as I eat my mega Rice Krispie bar. Thank y'all for everything you did to make this happen. Hopefully we'll do it again next year.